Oh my goodness. I am so sorry to you guys who took my advice on Domino's and Costco. Like, today, like, it should have been a really good trade. Like, I mean, I made that video around like 3 or 4 days ago, and since then it's been going up pretty well, pretty much what I was expecting. I thought that Costco was going to hit around $363, which at one point it did. I thought that Domino's was going to hit around $430, which it did today. It hit around $433. But darn it, Donald Trump just tweeted out that he was going to stop the stimulus, and the stock market took a dump. He tweeted that Nancy Pelosi is asking for $2.4 trillion to bail out poorly run, highly crime Democrat states, money that is in no way related to COVID-19. So first off, that's wrong. I mean, the money goes to all of the states, and there are some Republican states who are doing very poorly because of COVID, because of like businesses in general. All of the small businesses are having very tough times these days. So we need those stimulus. Like, we need those stimulus, okay? Then he continues on, we made a very generous offer of $1.6 trillion, and as usual, she is not negotiating in good faith. I am rejecting their request and looking to the future of our country. I have instructed my representative to stop negotiating until after the election, when immediately after I win, we will pass a major stimulus bill that focuses on hardworking Americans and small businesses. So just so you guys know, pretty much Donald Trump said that no more stimulus talks, okay? It's gonna be till after election. And like, I knew that it was around 50-50 that we were gonna pass something, but I didn't know that I was gonna get sideswiped by Donald Trump saying that, oh, no negotiation, just because he's having a bad day after having COVID. Like, it's his first day back from having COVID, and he decides to stop the stimulus talk. And then after that, the market stunk. So because of President Trump, I am so sorry to you guys who have been buying Costco, who have been buying Domino's, because your time is running out. You guys need to sell those two stocks tomorrow. And in my opinion, I am fairly certain, around 80% certain, that Domino's and Costco is going to go up tomorrow, because we've just had a very bad day today. I'm pretty sure that everything's going to be green tomorrow, so that's not bad. But it's not as much as I would have wanted. I mean, I made a good amount of money today, around like 20% today. And then, boom, all of it got erased. All of my profits from Costco and Domino's got erased. From today. I mean, like, I'm still up a good amount, but yeah, so I'm so sorry to you guys who have bought Costco and Domino's. I really wanted you guys to make some money. I mean, if we look at Costco today, like, I mean, at the beginning of the day, it was at $362. And then just before President Trump tweeted, it was also at $362, which is a very good profit. If we look at Domino's, its highest point today was around $433. It was at $432, $31 before President Trump tweeted, and after he tweeted, it dropped down to $427. I hope that you guys bought it around $425-ish yesterday. It was $425 yesterday, so you guys, hopefully you guys are okay today. But yeah, it was such a good day today. I had such a good day, and then my whole day crashed. So the reason why I'm making this video is to, one, say that I'm sorry that things didn't turn out the way that I had hoped for myself and for you guys if you guys bought my stock. Hopefully you guys don't blame me, and I hope you guys are okay in terms of your stock options. But the other reason why I want to make this video is to tell you guys to sell your Domino's and your Costco stocks tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is October 7th. Okay, sell it tomorrow, both of them. Sell it, sell it, sell it. Find a good price to sell it at and sell it before it ends tomorrow. Okay. For Costco, their monthly sales report comes out tomorrow after the market closes. So you make sure that you guys sell it before the market closes. For me, I would either sell it the first hour and a half of the market opens, or near the end. Find a good time to sell it, but it should be a good day tomorrow. Costco should have a good day tomorrow, but make sure you sell it. If you think that they're gonna have good sales report, which I wholeheartedly believe that they will have good sales report, but just because that they have a good sales report doesn't mean that the stock is gonna go up. That is what is so crazy about stocks. So please don't take any chances. At the very least, trim your positions. Okay? Either trim your positions or sell all of it. I think that the Costco stock is gonna hit $360 tomorrow, and I think you should find a good time to sell it. And so you should be able to make some money, not a lot, but you should be able to make some money. Now for Domino's, make sure that you sell Domino's tomorrow. Okay, find a good time to sell Domino's tomorrow. I think that it's gonna hit around $430, $431, maybe $432 tomorrow. Sell Domino's. Okay, do not hold Domino's. Domino's is going to release their quarterly earnings on October 8th before the market opens. October 8th before the market opens. So make sure you sell it tomorrow. Domino's is going to have a fantastic quarter, but even if it produces a fantastic earnings report, the stock is going to drop. That's just how Domino's stock is. So make sure you sell it tomorrow. Okay, well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I am so sorry about this. I'm sorry that it didn't go the way that I hoped it would, and that hopefully you didn't incur any big loss. But tomorrow should be a good day. But thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So until next time, bye.